How to send music in Instagram DM. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you're using the updated version of the app. If not, head over to App Store and then update it. Once you've got the latest version of the app Instagram, simply open it. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to send the music. Once you're in this page, you have to click on the sticker icon right over here. Once again, click on the sticker icon at the bottom of the screen. Right here, you'll see the option of music. Click on it. Now simply search for any of the music that you want to send it to this person. Once you find the specific music that you want to send to this person, all you want to do is click on the music. And there you go, the music has been sent to this person in the DM. Likewise, you can send any of the music that you want on Instagram DM. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.